27, 30, color 2, and 1B27. Alright. Well, hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa Jones. Let's do this. Today, we're using 4 different hair colors. I will state everything below in the description box. Look in there, and you can purchase yours too. I take hair this thick. I split it into 3. And then I put it on my dominant hand. Put one between my pointer finger and middle finger. And then I put the other strand between my middle finger and my ring finger. I leave the 3rd strand just hanging over my knuckles, over my hand. And then using my left hand, I will grab a piece of the cornrow that I'm about to do. I will grab a piece of her hair, so. And then I attach the hair. I attach the hair that is between my thumb and my pointer finger to the client's hair. And then I start to cornrow. I'm not sure if my explanation makes sense, but it's easier to watch and see what I'm doing. We'll show it again a couple of times as the video goes. Girl. I noticed that trying to explain this technique is a little bit difficult for me. And so what I'm going to do is I will take just this portion of this video and I'll record another video of me doing this technique and then upload it another time, so it would just be a video by itself. This way I think I can slow it down enough and let you guys watch what I'm doing without slowing it down on this video and making this video even longer than it already is. So just let me know if you want to see this technique in detail. Please tell me in the comment section so I can make that video. I hope you are as visual as I am and don't necessarily need the explanation. But this helps my crochet. It helps the hairline looks finished. And also it saves me time. That's why I do this. So after I am done starting the hair with the crochet hair to fill the hairline, the back I'm just going to make big cornrows. I will also create the bridge braid that I typically use. And if you haven't seen my bridge braid, look in my videos. You will see how I do the bridge braid. But I definitely had the bridge braid in this hairstyle as well. She was going to a wedding and the bride requested a bob cut. So she came to get this crochet and we cut it into a bob and we used 4 colors. It was super gorgeous. You guys should try this mix. It's really nice. So this is going to be our part right here. And we have another part right here. So this is not a part, but if she wants, she could wear it as a part. But basically, I stopped her. She doesn't like center part, so she has the option to wear it here, like this, or on this side, like that. Okay. So we have our bridge braid and these large ones here to make us move a little fast. You already know how I tie my crochet, so I won't slow this down to show you, but I'm just feeling as I go at this point. I will say this, whenever you're doing a bob look, if the idea is that you're going to be doing a bob look, the biggest thing you have to do is that you pack a lot of hair at the base of the neck. That line, this is not the time to put hair sparingly. This is the time to actually pack that line, because you need it to give you that solid look to cut that bob look, okay? And don't worry, the crochet does not look bulky. The reason why you can get away with making big braids in the back without your crochets looking bulky is because you don't pass your whole latch hook underneath this big braid. You pass your latch hook in between the cornrows, okay? So if you watch up close, you will see that when I do my crochets, unless I have a small braid, I don't pass the entire needle, latch hook needle, through the whole braid. I pass it through a portion of the cornrow. So just be aware, if you have big cornrows, pass your latch hook through just a portion of the cornrow. Don't put it through the entire big cornrow, because first it will unravel, second it will look bulky, and it just will not look natural. All right.
Gonna be all the way comfortable.
Okay. It was cute though.
Was it? I go get my toes done Friday on my lunch hour. I ain't doing nothing Saturday but getting off work. Marissa, go this way. I think. Hold on, let me look. Shaka Khan. Shaka Khan. Yeah, there we go. That way.
We have so much fun when I'm doing her hair, you know. The interaction is there. We're joking, we're laughing. Sometimes we're having drinks. You know, she's not just a friend. She's a sister. And I just love her so much. We have a blast whenever I do her hair for these videos. And I hope that, you know, the fun we have is able to translate through these videos. Anyway, I just had to put that out there. I think it makes a difference to make a video with somebody that you have a good vibe with, you know? I had run out of my mousse, and so I just used a regular foam lotion. and I mixed it with polisher, and that works just fine too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I will see you guys in my next video. I appreciate you and I love y'all so much. I'll see you later. Bye.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah, everybody get kept out.